Sawadee Kap, and welcome to your new educational adventure with Crew David. In this video, I would like to introduce myself as a professional educator, explain why I love teaching English as a second language, and how I can help you achieve your language goals with fun and engaging online lessons with Zoom. Hello everyone. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Scott David Plumley, but here in Thailand, I use my middle name, David, in the title of Crew, which means teacher in the Thai language. Thus, I am known as Crew David. I specialize in teaching ESL, or English as a second language, to business professionals in Bangkok. This is the ESL Upskill channel, focused on inspiring both students and educators to upskill their knowledge base, because your curious mind is a precious gift. So, the question of the day is, who is Crew David? Well, my teaching resume lists that I'm a native English speaker from the USA with a bachelor's degree in graphic design, a master TEFL certificate in teaching English, and 38 published book titles to my credit. However, these are just facts on paper, and to more clearly understand who I am, we need to go back to my childhood. So let's go back. When I was a cute little boy, my mother encouraged my curious mind by answering endless questions and motivated me to be a creative problem solver. I've always loved to learn new information, apply it to my life through trial and error, and then share that knowledge with others. Throughout my life, I have been learning, developing, and teaching a variety of artistic passions that include ceramic pottery, beaded chain jewelry, digital photography, Italian cooking, hatha yoga, and international travel. This desire to learn and share has been my guiding mission in life, to inspire others with the positive empowerment of education. Over the past 4 years, I have been teaching English classes to business professionals in the banking and technology sectors of Bangkok. I have been leading group classes at the elementary, pre-intermediate, and intermediate skill levels, as well as private sessions with business executives at a more advanced level. I have been leading workshops on email writing and PowerPoint presentation, as well as teaching online classes with Zoom over the past year of COVID-19 restrictions. My dedication to teaching goes above and beyond a job and a paycheck, as I really love being an educator. Being a teacher allows me to be a creative problem solver and inspire my students with the positive empowerment of education. I've applied this creative problem solving towards teaching English as a second language to create a fun and engaging teaching method. I've designed an education strategy to increase vocabulary words with whiteboard games, develop speaking confidence with engaging dialogue exercises, clarify grammar rules with detailed handouts, and customized business content to fulfill the individual needs of executive clientele. From years of experience in the classroom with so much trial and error, I have found this to be a winning strategy to help my clients and achieve their language goals. If you are still watching this video, then you have a curious mind like me. If you are interested in developing your language skills, may I invite you to visit my website from the links below to learn more about me and the professional services that I offer, from English text editing and online classes with Zoom. Through my website, you can send me an email to request your 30-minute free trial lesson, where I can quickly determine your English skill level and customize a learning course for you. If you found value in this video, smash that like button, click to subscribe, and please share this video on your social media platform. Your personal endorsement really helps to grow this channel and spread the message of positive empowerment through education. Until next time, please stay healthy, get some exercise, and keep upskilling your knowledge base because your curious mind is a precious gift. Thank you for your time. Kapkumakrap. Jegamai.